Check out this Nissan 2018 Versa Sedan S. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include brilliant silver, B92, splash guards, L92, carpeted floor and trunk mats, 5-piece, charcoal cloth seat trim, front-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, front disc rear drum brakes and brake assist. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.